Okay, dear students, now today we are solving a question related to set. Question number 11. Question is like this. In an examination, 40% of total students who passed in maths only. 40% students passed in maths only. 30% of students passed in science only. And 10% failed in both subjects. If 200 students passed in science, find the number of students by using Venn diagram. Here, 40% pass in maths only, 30% pass in science only, 10% failed in both, and 200 students passed in science. Here, number is given, but other information are given in percent. So we have to find this number also in percent, and we compare from Venn diagram. Then we can find the total number of students very easily. Let's solve this. Solution of this question problem is like this. Let maths and science, so here M and S represent the set of students who passed in maths and science respectively. Now, number of U be a universal set. If the question is given in percent, so 100%, that is what you have to find in number. Number of students who passed in maths only is 40%. 30% passed in science only. Number of science only is 30%. 10% failed in both. If failed is negative word, so if negative is there, then what should be there? M union S complement. If negative word is there, always complement. 10% and 200 students passed in science. Here we have to find the number of students who passed in science at first in percent. Here number of M union S we can find if universal set and complement are given, then you can find by subtracting number of U minus number of M union S complement. M union, that is 100 minus 10, this is 90%, and number of science is given 200. Now let's find number of science. Let's represent in Venn diagram because it is given. Solve by using Venn diagram. Venn diagram of this problem is like this. In order to get full marks, we have to make properly, make clear figure with neat and clean writing. Maths, science, now only is given, so directly we can write 40%. Science 30%. Intersection is not given, so we can let here X percent, and complement is given 10%. Now let's find intersection at first. In set, always we have to find intersection. If we know the value of intersection, then it will be easier for us to calculate other unknown things. Now from Venn diagram, number of U is equals to 40% plus X plus 30% plus 10%. What is the value of number of U? If the question is given in percent, always 100%. 40, 30, 70, 80, 80% plus X. So what is the value of X? X is 20%. 100 minus 80, 20%. Okay, let's solve this side. Now after getting x. Let's find the value of s. Number of s is equals to number of only s plus number of m intersection s. What is the value of only s? 30, which is given in question. And intersection s, number of m intersection s, we got here 20. Number of m intersection s is equals to 20%. 20, it means 50% of students are passed in science. But according to question, 200 students passed in science. According to our answer, 50%. It means 50% is equals to 200. According to question, 200 students pass in science. According to our answer, here most of the students get confused. 200 students pass in science, 50%. So 50% is equals to 200. Then what will be 1%? Is equals to 200 divided by 50. And we have to find total number. What do you mean by total number? 100%. Let's find 100% is equals to 200 by 50 into 100. So what will be the value? 0 0 cancel, 5 4s are 20, 400. We can find 50% of y. We can let total number be y, and 50% of y is equal to 200. Then we can solve to get the value of y. Therefore, the total number of student is 400. Thank you.